You guys, today is the 7th of May, and I just got into this short position on EUROJPY. Let me briefly explain my strategy. I call it day-to-day precision, but it's just based on the pullback continuation pattern. Understand? So whenever I'm trying to catch a bullish movement, I'll wait for price. Let's say here's the resistance, this line here. I'll wait for price to break across it, come back to retest it as support, and I'll look for a continuation entry to the upside. Same as trying to catch a bearish movement. I also price to break its support level, retest it as resistance, and I'll look for a continuation entry to the downside. So that's just the basic concept of the strategy. As you can see, price has been. I think I got into a trade. Yes, I got into a trade. I think on Monday, I I got wicked out. Like I think was it on AUDJPY? Can't remember. But I got into a trade. As you can see, the market price action has just been like so volatile. Like it's not actually healthy to trade in this kind of market. So when I got into this trade, I think it's the second trade I'm getting into this week. The first one I got picked out. I think that trade I took that trade on my phone. I wasn't on seat, so I saw the opportunity on my mobile and took the short position. It was a long position, I guess. Yes, I took the long position and I got stopped out. But it's all good. It's part of the data and part of trading. So as you can see at this point, if you look at the H4, I think if you look at the H4 level, you can see that price has been rejecting this point. Rejection, rejection, rejection. And you can see if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price is also rejected this level multiple times, serving as a resistance. You understand? So after price broke across it, but this resistance level started forming from this point here. You can see it broke across this level, broke across this level. I mean, it broke across this level, came back to retest it as support, then started creating some resistance. You understand? So there's no level that is actually guaranteeing this market that price will hold. It's just probability based, and as long as it aligns with your strategy, you can give it a shot. You understand? So how I got my entry on this trade is that what made me validate this level even more, I mean, is that I drew my Fibonacci from swing high, which is this point A, swing low, point B. I drew it from swing high, swing high to the swing low. You can see the pullback level aligned at the 50.0 and 38.20 Fibonacci pullback level. Understand? And my take profit, although I haven't set my take profit yet. I left it open because with the current price action, price can reverse from any point, and I'm willing to exit as long as it gives me a good RR. You understand? I will exit with every whatever the profit is. If I see that it's not about to go down anymore, and I can take my profit at this 0.00 Fibonacci level. You understand? So my stop loss behind structure, which means as long as price invalidate this point, this level here, once price invalidate this point, the entire setup is like it's gone. It's not more valid anymore. You understand? So I got my entry on the 15-minute time frame. And I think on the 30 minutes and 15 minutes, you understand? That's where I confirm my entry. I waited for price to cross the 15 MA and close across it on both the 15 minutes and the 30-minute time frame. You understand? You can see the 15-minute and 30-minute time frame. The price close across the 15 EMA. So that's how I got my confidence, like my entire confidence for short position. You understand? So I left my take profit open. Let's see how the market unfolds. hopefully we get the same spike downward and gives us a like something reasonable this week. But all good. There's nothing guaranteeing this market. It's all probability based. Okay, let's see how this market unfolds. Or let's see how this trade plays out. I'll update you guys in the next. Current update on this trade, you guys. Current update on this trade. I just took another loss. I think currently I'm in a losing streak at the moment, but I'll get back. It's just part of data, but part of the data, you understand. Losing $207. So let's see what the market has in store for us before the weekend. Think we're done for this trade. See you on the next.